Meet Neo, the humanoid home assistant from 1X Technologies, standing at about 5'6", 66 pounds, 30 kilograms. Neo is built to navigate everyday spaces. Perform tasks. The body of Neo is made from lightweight metal and high-grade plastic, which makes it strong but still easy to move around. Inside, Neo is packed with advanced sensors and cameras that help it see, recognize objects, and move safely around furniture and people. It also has AI-powered software that allows it to understand commands, learn daily tasks, and even respond to your voice. For movement, Neo uses electric motors and joints similar to how human muscles work. That's why it can walk, bend, pick up things, and even open doors. It runs on a rechargeable battery that gives it several hours of working time. Neo also connects to Wi-Fi and other smart home devices, meaning you can control lights, appliances, or even security systems through it. Neo is designed to act like a personal assistant and home helper. It can perform physical tasks, communicate with you, and even learn from experience. Neo can help with light cleaning jobs like picking up objects from the floor, organizing items on shelves, and putting things back in place. 2. Folding and handling laundry. One of its coolest features is folding clothes. It can take laundry from a basket, fold shirts and towels, and even hand them to you. 3. Opening doors and cabinets. With its robotic arms and sensors, Neo can open doors, drawers, and cabinets safely just like a human would. 4. Bringing and serving items. Neo can carry small objects. For example, it can bring you a cup, a bottle, or your phone if you leave it somewhere else. 5. Voice interaction. You can talk to Neo like you do with Alexa or Siri. It understands voice, commands, and responds naturally. 6. Smart home control. Neo connects with your smart devices. You can tell it to turn on the lights, adjust room temperature, or check if the door is locked. 7. Security and monitoring. Neo has built-in cameras and sensors, so it can patrol your home, detect unusual movements, and even alert you through your phone. 8. Learning daily routines. The best part is its AI. Neo learns your habits. Over time, it remembers when you wake up, what music you like, or when to bring you coffee. 9. Social interaction. It can hold short conversations, show facial expressions on its display, and even greet you when you come home. So overall, Neo isn't just a cleaning robot. It's a multitasking humanoid assistant designed to live, work, and interact just like a human companion. Neo looks and moves like a human, with a head, arms, hands, and legs, giving it a natural and friendly presence in your home. It's powered by AI that helps it understand commands, recognize faces, learn routines, and even improve its skills over time. You can control Neo by speaking or using simple hand gestures, just like talking to a person.